Hi there guys, welcome to the MecadMinute. My name's Dylan and I'm going to be showing you guys some cool tips and tricks with regards to 3D sketches. So if you guys don't know, to get to a 3D sketch you just click here and you select 3D sketch, you select a line and where you want to start drawing. There are going to be no planes in this because we're going to be drawing on all the planes. So we're going to start from the origin point, and as you can see in the middle of the screen, it now displays that I'm drawing on my XY plane. So if we look down here, we can see a representation of our different planes and axes that we're working on. So we're going to draw a line vertically on XY, and then now we're still on the XY plane. So it still wants to draw on that. If we want to change that, all we have to do is press tab and it will cycle through the different planes. So we're going to press tab until we get to XZ, and then we're going to go this way. Now we're going to shift back to the XY, and then back again to XZ, and if we take a look, it would have drawn those on the planes we specified. This does take a bit of practice, guys, but once you get used to it, it does become a very, very valuable way of drawing and a very valuable tool. So just a little bit of practice on this and you guys should have it perfect. Thanks guys, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next Mecad Minute.